Hello and welcome to Wyerman's Whimsy. This is our first alternate card using elements from the September paper pumpkin kit called Autumn Abundance. I have taken one of the small card bases and I've cut the back off. And I've cut a very vanilla card base square to 8.5 by 4 1/4, and then you score it 4.5 or 4 1/4. So you've got 8.5 by 4 1/4, and then you score it 4 1/4, so you get a nice square card base. The mat is in copper clay, and it is 4 1/8 by 4 1/8. And these little strips I'm going to use for decoration are 4 1/8 by 1/4. And this is 4 by 4. This is the size that it was from the kit. I've used one of the Stylish Shapes dies to cut out in Very Vanilla the Sending Autumn Wishes Your Way. And I've got some foil gems that I've colored with the dark copper clay blending or Stampin' Blends. So really we just need to kind of layer this up. Again, you can cut the middle out of this if you want to save the paper. But really we're just going to build this card and put it together. I played with some different ideas about doing different embellishments and that on it, but they didn't seem to work quite right. And I played with a bunch of ideas. I may come back to them, but for now, this is going to be a super simple card. Simply beautiful and beautifully simple. That's my favorite kind of card. So we're just going to line this up. Now again, very, very small borders on this one. But when I put this just right down on the Very Vanilla background, it looked a little So putting just that little piece of copper clay in behind really makes the card front pop. So feel free to play with things before you start sticking things together. Mock it up, play with it. And if it's not working, maybe you just need to change the color. There's all kinds of different variations, all different kinds of things that you can do. Maybe it's just a simple change the greeting. So that's our card base. Again, super, super simple. I've put adhesive dots on the back of these just because I've got them. You can use glue, you can use your tape runners, whatever you've got. And I'll just peel those off. And this one's off the edge, so we're just going to roll it a little bit. And this is going to go, it is that 4 1/4, so it's going to go all the way edge to edge on that background like that. Okay, and then we're going to grab this one, peel the backings off, and fold over any edges that you've got. And then I want to put this so that the banner goes over top of it. So I've just got my banner up to the side just to kind of get an idea of where I need this to be. And then we're just going to press it down like that. And then we're going to take our greeting that, again, is one of the Stylish Shape dies that I used for that. And you can't see it. I keep pointing at it and you can't see it. There you go. And then I'm going to put this down. I played with the idea of doing the larger die in behind just to add a little bit of definition, but I kind of like this. It's a quiet space in the middle of a busier space. And again, I cut one of these in half. I played with like tucking these in behind, but they really kind of got lost in the background. So I thought we'll just leave it plain. Just put a little bit of bling on. Again, these are the iridescent foil gems. And I've colored them with the dark copper clay Stampin' Blends. And I think really I'm just going to put the 2 on, just like that. So that is our first alternate card using elements from the September paper pumpkin kit called Autumn Abundance. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.